How's it going, guys? It's Fisayo here, and in this Finance Friday video, I'll show you how easily it is to buy and sell cryptocurrency or the numerous tokens available on Binance's app via the P2P method. This is going to be a simple, straightforward video showing you the step-by-step processes. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time now, but here it is, and we'll see how this works. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'd love it if you could hit that like button so more people can benefit from this knowledge that we'll be sharing. And when you hit that like button, you'll definitely be helping someone out. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So first off, Binance is available on the web and the mobile platforms, but for this tutorial, I'll show you how to go about it via the mobile app or the mobile platform. It's the same process as is on the web. And if you're newly downloading it, you'll be downloading one that has this logo and looks like this on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. And guys, I won't make a video without something for you. So the first 100 people who sign up with my link in the description below to Binance, it's the first link in the description below, and make their first trades of at least $100 will get $5 just like that. $5 is 2,800 naira, almost 3,000 naira. It's free money. I know it's not much. Essentially, you're getting $5 for free when you download and sign up with my link and you make your $100 trade. And you can't get this anywhere else, so just do it. All right, so first off, what is a P2P trade? What does it even mean? The word P2P means peer-to-peer, and P2P in finance means the service is decentralized. Decentralized means that it's not central, or there is no power over the transaction, or there is no intermediary like banks. It's just you and the person interacting directly with each other. It simply means, again, that the buyer and the seller are transacting directly with each other. Where Binance now comes in here is that they give you a platform. So that's the Binance platform to trade, and they don't just do that. They screen the people who are trading, they rank them, and they show you the highest or lowest ratings, or positive and negative ratings or reviews. And they also provide an escrow service. Okay, what is an escrow service? What does an escrow service even mean? In simple terms, if I'm a buyer, if I want to buy a stable coin like BUSD, for instance, or I want to buy Bitcoin, I will simply put some money to the side and they will lock in my offer on that money somewhere. And they will then lock in the BUSD or Bitcoin of the person that I want to buy it from on Binance. So they will essentially lock their money. So until the both of us come to an agreement, the fund will not be released. I won't pay and they won't pay me. So no one gets scammed until that agreement is reached. And it's done very, very securely, as we'll see in a bit. And I've been using Binance for the better part of this year. All right, let's get into the app. The first thing we're talking about is about how you can go about buying, and the next section will be about selling. And before we begin, I'd like to mention that this isn't like investment advice or anything. I've made multiple videos on personal finance on this channel, and from our Finance Friday series, I've always mentioned investing a decent sized portion of your income that you won't be troubled by if it fluctuates. Anyway, let's get started. On the Binance app, you can see the current homepage here. On closer inspection, you can view all of the trading options. You can also see how much each currency pair is performing from BNB, BTC, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And you can even see more when you scroll. Clicking on more shows you the P2P option. You also get the P2P trading option on the homepage as well. And it of course shows you the risk notice associated with P2P trading. Basically, Binance is telling you not to believe anyone who claims they're a customer support, or anyone that convinces you to release your crypto before you have received the payment. The instruction will appear clearly, and once you follow them, you will be fine. Trust me, it's super easy. It's basically like transferring money. After this video, you'll see. So this is the P2P page. Up top, I can see my currency, which is NGN or Nigerian Naira. And this is location based. So right now, I can only transfer to accounts that accept Nigerian Naira. And changing into other currencies would mean I can only trade with people that accept those other currencies. But I'll be using the NGN or Naira for this video, for this example in this video. So here is where you get to see each user and what mode of payment each of them are accepting here. They mostly accept bank transfers. You already know how to do bank transfers if you're watching this video, I'm sure. You can also see a name of a potential trader, how many trades they've done, and the percentage of positive feedback that they have. If you scroll left to right, you can see other tokens that you can as well trade. And if you want to trade quicker, you can go to the express option that Binance offers, whereby you get a random or a usually highly rated user who is online and you can trade quicker with, instead of scrolling through a bunch of people or a long list and picking one person. So let's now make a trade. Let's make a buy trade now with the express option. I want to buy 50,000 naira worth of USDT, and when I click buy, it shows that I will receive 88 USDT, or basically $88 at the rate of 567 naira. I'll click confirm to proceed. As you can see here, the person I'm buying USDT from is a seller named Irag, and the person is verified. What is highlighted here is that Binance is holding the seller's cryptocurrency in escrow, in the escrow account, and they have 24/7 customer service. Do you remember what I talked about regarding escrow? Well, this is it. So their money is held, and when you transfer to this person and the person confirms it, the money is released to you. So it's not like you can transfer and the person runs away. If the person runs away, their USDT is being locked on Binance. So if the dispute goes through, you will get your money anyway. You can also see that you've got a 14-minute time limit to make the transaction work. A few things I still try to double check here are by checking the user's profile. So when I click on this person's name, I can see that they are verified. They've got over 3,956 trades, almost 4,000 trades in the past 30 days at a 97.7% completion rate, which is fair. They also have 6,701 feedback, which 99% of is positive. You can also see the average time it takes for this person to pay, which is 4.5 minutes, and his release time is 4.7 minutes, all of which is fair and sort of okay to me. So one thing I also do is that I message the merchant or the seller or whoever I'm trading with to confirm if they're online. I've done a trade where I nearly transferred, but the person's status showed that they were online and the person did not even respond at all throughout the time limit, like 25 minutes or so, and the time limit just ran out. So I always message them before anything. I'll just type, hey, are you online? So for this person, it took around 5 to 6 minutes for the person to reply me. So once I got a confirmation that they were online, I just made a transfer to their normal bank account that was shown. And for the transaction narration, you do not want to put anything like crypto or Binance or anything in there. So then I just message the person that I have sent it with a screenshot of the proof of payment. The seller who is supposed to give me the USDT for the money I've just sent will now release the payment to me. He also has a time limit to release it to me, as you know, we can see here. Now, as you can see, the seller has released the USDT to my wallet, and that's pretty much it about buying cryptocurrency or any token. I can simply rate this person positive or negative. Of course, I didn't have any issues with this person, so I'll rate them negative. I rate them positive. I'll rate them positive, and that's about it for buying. As you can see in the transfer section of the app, that money is in your wallet, and if you want to use this USDT, for instance, to buy tokens like Bitcoin, which most people do, that's how most people buy Bitcoin, then you can move it to your spot wallet and begin trades. You can see your available balance here, but for now, I'll leave it in my normal P2P wallet. Also, if you're finding this video useful, do consider hitting that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions at all. If you feel like you're confused in any section, just drop a comment. How about selling? Well, it's pretty much the same process with buying, except now you are the one receiving the transfers to your own bank account, and Binance is holding your own tokens or crypto to release to the person that you want to sell to or that is transferring to you. Just like theirs was held in the buying section that we just covered, ours will be held as well. Okay, so let's just go to the P2P section and we'll click sell. We get the exact same options like the buy page. We can also do express selling, which is what I'll do now instead of picking the buyers or sellers from one by one on a long list. I'll just let Binance pick a random highly rated buyer or seller that is online. Now I want to sell $80 or 80 USDT, which is kind of the same thing. Once I hit sell, I can choose which of my bank account I want the money sent to. Then I click to confirm the sale. As you can see here, the buyer now has a time limit as well. I usually click on the chat section to see if there's any message for me, and sure enough, this person has asked me that I release the coin once I receive payment, obviously. So I reply with okay, and I wait to receive the transfer. I have to wait for a while.
A few moments later.
So right now, Binance has told me that this person has marked the order as paid. Keep in mind that the Binance is holding my $80 in escrow, and so until I click that I've received the payment and I click accept, No one is getting anything, and that's what I like about P2P trading until there's confirmation, until everything is tight and secure. As you can see, I have indeed gotten the payment now, and I'll just need to confirm that I have received the payment. There's also a warning message that says, hey, you should check your bank app, check your available balance, make sure that you have indeed received it, and then you can click to confirm. So I'll just click confirm since I have received it. What Binance does for further security is that they send you a 6-digit code to be absolutely sure, because it's money, and if a hacker wants to move money, they will need to steal your phone for that extra layer. So, and for that, again, extra layer of security, this is embedded. So even if your phone gets stolen, you can block your SIM card, so that OTP, that one-time password, that code doesn't get to the hacker. So once I type in the code, I get a confirmation message saying that I have sold my $80 on Binance for 45,000 naira cash right into my bank account. It's that easy. Basically like a normal transaction transferred between two good old people. One thing to keep in mind is that for security purposes, and so no one's account gets flagged or anything, and they don't block their account, people don't have to write cryptocurrency or anything related to cryptocurrency in the transaction reason or reference. Just put anything like payment or something, anything random there, and that is when they are transferring with your banking apps, so you don't get your account blocked or the other person's account blocked. Anyway, I always recommend leaving a positive review or a rating. That's pretty much it on how to buy and sell tokens on crypto on Binance. You can do this with almost any cryptocurrency on Binance, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, BUSD, and the likes. It's all the same process, and these tokens are one way that people store their cash assets. Again, guys, do download the Binance app with the link in the description, with the first link in the description, to get your free $5 when you deposit $100 to trade there, and even more freebies. And you can make sure to use my link in the description below. If you found this video useful, you can simply hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to reply and have a chat with you guys in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Truly appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.